Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss one more method of Python, which is encode. So as its name suggests, encode method is used for performing the encoding of the string or whatever the data you have stored inside a string, it will encode that. Okay, so there are multiple ways through which we can use encode method with different encoding styles. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. There are total 5 methods we have covered here. So let's start with the first one. So in string one you can see that I have stored hello world, and then there is a one there are a few characters which is in Chinese language. Okay, so this is not an ASCII characters, so that's why it should, like, the moment when we encode this, it should be changed accordingly. Okay, if you are if you are not passing any parameter to this encode method, then by default it will convert the string with this b prefix. So what it will do, it will convert the string into byte of sequence. Okay, so this b is denoting the bytes. So what we are doing, we are just storing some characters inside a string one, and these are some character which are non-ASCII character. So why we are using this? Because when we will run this program, then you will be able to understand, like, these are the ASCII, so it will be kept as same, but these character will be changed. So let's see the output. For that I'm running the program, so I will press Ctrl Shift and tilde to run my prompt terminal. Then I will write here Python space, and my program name is session30.py, and if I hit enter, it will show the output for all the strings. So let's see one by one. So for first scenario, you can see that it is showing b, which is a byte of sequence, then hello world, and this is the character which is converted or encoded from non-ASCII to ASCII. Okay, so non-ASCII, these are the non-ASCII character which is encoded. So this is the one way through which we can encode the string. In second scenario, we are using the same string, but this time we are not passing any non-ASCII characters. So by default it will keep it as it is, so b and hello world, so there is no change. Why? Because all characters are already of ASCII type, so that's why it is keeping it as it is. Fine. In third scenario, you can see that I'm storing the string as hello world, and then we are doing the encoding, but this time we are passing some argument. In previous also we use ASCII as an argument, and here we are using the argument as UTF hyphen 16. So what it means? It means that it will encode the string in UTF-16. So you can see the output here. Entire string is got changed. So this is the encoded string. We pass hello world, but it becomes this. So this is a very useful method, because whenever you are storing some important data inside a database, so in that case you can firstly encode that data, and then you can use it or store it inside your physical file or whatever the data you are using. Okay, now now we will discuss about the fourth scenario. Here we are using the same thing, means hello, and this is the word written in Chinese language. So what it will do, it will encode the string, but here I am passing two arguments. First one is ASCII and second one is errors equals to ignores. So what it will do, if it is not able to convert any non-ASCII character to ASCII, then it will ignore that. It will simply skip that portion. So you can see here it is only showing hello, comma, then space and exclamation mark. It is not showing those non-ASCII characters, right? So this is the one way. Like, if you want to skip those part which are not an ASCII, then you can use errors equals to ignore. But if you want to replace it with some characters, by default character question mark, then you can use this coding style. So for that you just need to write string4.encode, and first argument is ASCII, second argument is errors equals to replace. So whatever the string which are non-convertible, it will be replaced with question mark. So by this you can easily understand, okay, so there are some characters which are non-ASCII characters. Okay, so these are some scenarios where we can utilize encode method. As per your requirement, you can create more scenarios. So mainly if we talk about this encode method, then this method is used to convert the characters into the sequence of bytes. and there are different types of encoding we can perform here, like UTF-16, ASCII, and others are also there. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.